Have you ever wondered how organizations achieve their breakthrough goals? Today, we're diving into lean strategy deployment, or Hoshinkanri. This method helps organizations identify important goals and initiatives. It ensures that everyone is aligned and focused on what truly matters. So what does this process involve? First, we assess the current situation to understand where we stand. Next, we hold strategy sessions with senior management. These sessions help identify key focus areas and initiatives for the organization. Then, we coach leaders through the A3 process. This helps them identify obstacles and create actionable plans to achieve their goals. After that, we facilitate sessions with the next levels of management. They'll align their goals and metrics with the high-level plans we've set. Finally, we develop daily management systems with clear metrics and targets. This ensures everyone is accountable and engaged in problem-solving. In conclusion, lean strategy deployment is a powerful tool for organizations. It creates alignment and focus, driving results toward your vision.